In Trayse Inventory, a sales order can generate 3 different types of orders. In this example, the top 3 line items are raw materials that are not in stock. These items need to be ordered from the vendor. Trayse will look for an available PO for these items. If none exists, a new PO will be created. The next item is a finished good. It also is out of stock. For any kit or product that needs to be assembled, built, manufactured, or produced, an assembly order will be created. Finally, the last 2 items are in stock and can be picked and shipped. A pick order will be created for these items. You can navigate to these related orders after the sales order has been processed. The last pick order will be on the layout. Previous pick orders, as well as assembly orders and purchase orders, are available from the More button in the layout header. A message box will pop up notifying the user of the various orders that have been created. Trayse Inventory will display the first 3 assembly orders and the first 3 purchase orders in the message box, as well as a single pick order. Additional assembly orders, additional purchase orders will be counted and displayed as a single line. Now that the sales order has been released, we can navigate to the related orders. A transaction record has been created, giving you complete traceability for your inventory.